guys, I guess the lane's hot now. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're at Sacramento Raceway for Test and Tune, and then tomorrow is Race Wars. I teched to a 12.5 just now. I don't know how fast this car is gonna go, but 12.5 needs a helmet. It's the first time going down a track all motor in a very long time. Something's loose under my car. I think I broke an axle. Actually, I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's under my foot.
Oh, you haven't done it yet, but you just know it. Hey, Michael, what are you doing? Nice stock axles, nigga. I told you they break.
Mike, you got intimidated by the car next to you, bro?
Huh?
You got intimidated by the car next to you or what?
No, dude, that shit looked good.
Nah, you got
Oh, it was pretty prepped or what?
Nah, you got scared.
Oh.
Dog. You got spooked. Dog.
He got spooked?
I saw in his eyes. He was like, exactly that. Just.
Saw through the tin, huh?
You got axles?
Something.
Okay, not a broken axle. That is the O2 sensor I was missing for a long time, only to realize it's still attached to the harness. That's good news. That's good news. Today I've just been very tired. I knew I was going to go to the track, and I still slept super late and woke up really late to catch literally all of the traffic coming to the track. Took 3 hours to get to the track, got to the track regardless, and my buddy Mike was already there. He didn't even get his first pass yet, so literally we were both teching in at the same time. I threw my slicks on the car, went to the tech, and then went straight into the line to do my first pass for the night. Now, because I went late, there was only 2.5 hours left of racing for Test and Tune, so I went and did my first pass. I did a second gear burnout, and I wasn't even entirely sure if I had two-step because I didn't remember if we set it up or not, but we do have two-step. I did a second gear burnout just briefly, went up, and the sudden glare was on the tree, so I couldn't really see it, but nonetheless, the light came on, I took off, and I thought I broke an axle in second gear, but the car didn't shoot, so I stayed in it. Went down into third, went down into fourth, realizing that I was topping out fourth gear, probably I don't know, 1200 mark or something like that. I had to stab it into fifth gear, and the car did a 12.8 at 101 or 107 miles an hour. That transmission is ridiculous. It's a Z3 LSD transmission, which I believe has a 4.7 final drive in it, and it looks like I'm gonna have to go into fifth every single time. So you guys probably saw in the clip, I was like, man, what's all this noise coming out from underneath my car? And I thought it snapped an axle or something. So when we got to the pits, I didn't really like check it. We went up to go guide Mike to race his EG, which is his first pass. And then we started losing daylight, obviously, right? So I went to go check to find out that it was the O2 sensor that I was looking for the longest time. That's why my car doesn't have an O2 sensor. It was actually just, I guess it was tucked up against the subframe, and it finally fell off, and that's how I found it. It was dragging underneath the car. So lucky it was just the O2 sensor. We ended up wrapping it up for the night because somebody spilled on a track and it was going to take too long to clean it. So they shut the track down. I came and checked into my hotel here, and Race Wars is tomorrow. I was trying to get more passes in for the TNT, but despite how today went, I only got one pass in. So right now, I'm gonna catch some shut-eyes because I am really tired, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.